again. So dear students, so today we are going to solve problem question number 2-1 from exercise 3.5, and there we have to apply cross multiplication method. So first of all, we need to see the question for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinitely many solutions. So there is written infinitely many solution. So for this criteria, what is the condition? Condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. This condition we have to apply. Number 1. Number 2, we have to apply cross multiplication method. So now we are going to start the solution. So first of all, question number 2-1 solution. Then we will write given linear equations, then 2x plus 3y equal to 7, then a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal 3a plus b minus 2. So these two equations first of all we have to write. Then you give equation number 1 and 2. Then we have to write since the equations 1 and 2 are having infinitely many solutions, on the basis of this criteria we can write a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. These three ratio will be equal. So now we have to see a1, b1, c1 from equation number 1. These are the coefficient of x means a1, coefficient of y means b1, and this constant term is c1. And here a minus b, that one is a2, and a plus b, that one is b2, and 3a plus b minus 2, this one is c2. And that way just we have to put the value. So a1 is 2, first equation 2, a2 is second equation a minus b, then b1 is first equation y coefficient 3, and b2 is second equation y coefficient a plus b, then c1 is what? minus 7, you can write 7, and this one is what? c2, 3a plus b minus 2. So it is the criteria. So now first of all we have to consider these two, 2 by a minus b and 3 by a plus b. Therefore 2 by a minus b equal to 3 by a plus b. First of all we will consider these two ratio, 2 by a minus b, 3 by a plus b. then from there we will get one relation between A and B. So here we have to multiply, cross multiply process we have to apply. 2 into A plus B and 3 into A minus B. 2 into A plus B and 3 into A minus B. This way we have to multiply. This one is cross multiplication. This one is cross multiplication. So now after multiplying, now do the multiplication. 2 into A plus into plus plus, 2 into A twice A plus into plus plus, 2 into B twice B plus into plus plus, 3 into A, 3A plus into minus minus, 3 into B, 3B, 3B. Now A terms you bring in same side, twice A minus 3A. B terms you bring to same side, minus twice B, shift to right side, then this one minus 3B. Twice A plus 3A, shift to left side, then it will be minus 3A. Plus 2B, shift to right side, minus twice B, sign will be changed. Then plus into minus minus, 3A minus twice A equal to 1A. But 3 is bigger, so sign before bigger number you have to give in the answer. And then minus into minus plus, 3 plus 2, 5. That means you have to do the addition, but which one is bigger? 3 bigger, so sign minus, so it should be minus. Then both side minus minus cancel. Therefore, we are getting A equal to 5B is a relation between A and B. Between A and B. Secondly, we have to consider either 2 by A minus B and 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. This one consider, or you consider these two. 3 by A plus B and 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. So again we are considering 2 by A minus B. 2 by A minus B equal to, I mean any one you can consider. 3A plus B minus 2. So now again you do cross multiplication. 2 into 3A plus B minus 2 and 7 into A minus B. Then now we are getting what? 7 into A minus B, 2 into 3A plus B minus 2. Now we multiply, plus into plus plus, 7 into A, 7A, plus into minus minus, 7 into B, 7B, plus into plus plus, 2 3s are 6, A plus into plus plus, 2 into B twice B, plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4. So no space, so now we are going to solve this problem here. So implies 7A minus 7B equal 6A plus 2B minus 4. So A terms you bring in same side. A terms you bring in same side. 7A, 6A. 6A bring to left side. Left side. And this one twice B, 7B, shift to right side. Then sign will be changed. 7B minus 4. Then plus into minus minus, 7A minus 6A equal to 1A, plus into plus plus, 7 plus 2, 9B minus 4. Now we have to use this relation A equal to 5B, which is given in step number 2. A equal to 5B. So here we have to use A equal to 5B, which already we got in statement number 2. Statement number, not 2, it will be actually 3. Statement number 3. 5B equal 9B minus 4. And here you give link by 3. Give the link. That means this statement has link with statement number 3. Now for 9B you shift to same side. B terms keep in same side. Then plus into minus minus, 9B minus 5b equal to 4b. 9 is bigger than 5, so sin b for bigger number you have to give in the answer. Then both side minus minus cancel. Then b equal to 4 by 4, cut, you will get 1. So students, already we are getting b value. Already we are getting b value 1. Now you put this b value in statement number 3 to get a value. So statement number 3, just you derive this statement, then a equal to 5, b value is 1, just you put here, give reason, b equal to 1. Then here we are getting a equal 5. So there is no space, so final report I am writing here. Final report I am writing here. Therefore the required value a equal to 5 and b equal to 1. So it is the solution for the question number 2-1. And same type problem given, so many problems are given, 2-2, then 2-3. These all the problems are given in WhatsApp group, and some solutions already given there and notes also given. Just when you write down the solution, then and then you write the notes, and that notes help you to understand the solution. Okay, today class this much.